and all golf clubs are not for everybody.
Hi, I'm Scott and I'm a PGA professional with Dick's Sporting Goods. There are a lot of different things you can look at when you're interested in buying a new set of clubs. The clubs are designed to do different things for different people and different skill levels. Whether or not you're looking for a game improvement club or looking for something that has more of a playability factor, let us talk to you about your game. Let us find out what you are looking for to improve your game. Let us see what manufacturer's setup would be the best for you. When you look at the different aspects of golf clubs, forgiveness, the ability for the club to provide you with some consistency. Whenever you look at a player's club, you're going to generally see thinner lines, smaller sweet spots, but they're going to provide you the ultimate in feel and performance. When you look at more of a game improvement club, wider soles on the bottom of a golf club will generally lower the center of gravity and help the player get the ball up in the air. Another important factor is the type of shaft that you want to get into. Steel shafts, stronger, more consistent, a little bit heavier. Graphite shafts, lighter weight, tend to absorb more vibration and they're easier to swing. They also help get the ball up in the air. An important thing to remember, some sets include hybrids all the way down through gap wedges and sand wedges. It's not just a full set of irons anymore, 3-through pitching wedge. Standard set makeup is not for everybody. Allow us the opportunity to talk to you about what all these different manufacturers provide for the players today. For performance, for forgiveness, and most importantly in a lot of cases, for the cost value. Come visit one of our golf professionals. Remember, every season starts right here at Dick's.